In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view the year in Google Calendar so you can see your entire schedule at a glance. This is a super simple trick, but it can be really helpful if you want a bigger picture of your meetings, deadlines, holidays, and upcoming events without jumping from day to day or even month to month. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Google Calendar tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once the calendar loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a View drop-down menu. This is where Google Calendar lets you switch between different layouts like day, week, month, and year. Go ahead and click that View drop-down. A list of view options will appear. From that list, select Year. As soon as you do that, Google Calendar will change the display and show the entire year on one screen. This is perfect if you want to quickly scan across all 12 months and get a broad overview of your schedule. It makes planning much easier, especially if you're organizing content, travel, school, work, or personal events over a long time period. Now that you're in the year view, you can click on any month to zoom in and see more detail. You can also click directly on a specific date to view the events scheduled for that day. This makes it easy to jump from the yearly overview into a more detailed look whenever you need it. If you're trying to plan ahead, check for busy periods, or spot open gaps in your calendar, the year view is a great feature to use. It gives you a fast, visual way to stay organized without feeling overwhelmed by too much detail at once. And that's it. You now know how to view the year in Google Calendar in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides just like this one.